Hello ladies and welcome to Canada Craft Studio. In this little video I want to show you how to assemble a paper flower using my template number 5. So I have already pre-cut everything I need on my cutting machine, and I'm gonna use the bone folder and the glue gun to assemble this flower. The first layer I simply curl a little bit down that way. And I slightly bend the petals. Okay, it's done. The next one, I'm gonna curl like a sideways, like this. Be careful to do it gently so that you don't tear off the petals. This happened to me a couple times. And again, I want to bend it up a little bit. Okay, so my next layer, I want it to be curled the other side. So I'm going to flip it over and do the same thing with the back. And the more you curl it, the prettier it's gonna be. Oops, see, I'm sorry, starting to rip some of that. Okay, that's good. I feel that I haven't done a good job on this one, so I'm gonna repeat. Okay, so these are done. My next layer, I'm gonna curl facing the it up. And the smaller it is, the more challenging it is to curl. The flower that I'm making is gonna be about 4 inches in diameter. But you can resize it and cut pretty much any size you want. Okay, and my last layer, I'm flipping over and curling this way. And a bit up, lifting the petals up. All right, then here's my middle. The middle, I simply curl slightly the petals. So, and the little star, I wanna bend the rays up. Okay. All right. Now it's time to use our glue gun. I'm gonna push it up so that you guys can see well. Okay, so first layer, second layer, putting together using some glue right in the middle and positioning your second layer so that it goes in between the petals of the first layer. Same thing with the third layer. Now maybe I want to slightly curl it up and trying to fit it in the middle. Okay, and my next layer. All right, and my last layer of petals. All right, my middle part, I'll probably glue the star first inside. And you can move it slightly while the glue is still hot. And I'm gonna put it right in the middle of the flower. Here we are. So this is what we've got. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if there's anything else I can show you or anything else that you would like to know. Thank you for purchasing this template. I hope you enjoy it and have a lovely day. Bye bye.